If you praise these two things, she'll start falling in love with you. Deep female psychology. Sometimes love doesn't start with a kiss. It starts with a sentence. A few simple words that touch her soul in a way no one else ever has. Because there's a secret about women most men never understand. A woman doesn't fall in love with how handsome you are or how many gifts you give. She falls in love when she feels seen. And that magic happens when you praise two hidden things about her. Not her body, not her beauty, but something far deeper. So tonight, let's go deep inside the mysterious heart of female psychology. Let's understand the two things that, when you notice and praise them sincerely, can make a woman start falling in love with you without even realizing it. Rose Part 1. She falls for the man who sees her mind. Soft violin background. Imagine a woman sitting quietly in a cafe. People pass by, some glance, some smile. Maybe one compliments her dress, another praises her eyes. But all she does is smile politely, because she's heard it all before. She's beautiful, she knows that. But beauty is not what she wants to be seen for. She wants someone to notice what others always miss. The way she thinks. Most men only see her body. But the man who sees her mind, that's the man she remembers. When you say, "I like how your mind works," or "You always have an interesting way of seeing things," you're not complimenting her looks. You're complimenting her essence. You're telling her, "I'm listening. I'm paying attention to who you are, not just how you look." And that changes everything. In psychology, this triggers what's called emotional validation. It's when someone feels truly understood. And that understanding creates an invisible thread between two souls. When she feels that you see her thoughts, she begins to feel connected because you've entered her inner world. And in that world, attraction doesn't come from looks. It comes from resonance. Headphone the science behind it. When a woman talks about something she loves, her passions, her dreams, her fears, and you genuinely listen, her brain releases oxytocin, the bonding chemical. It's the same chemical released when she feels safe or cared for. That's why, after deep conversations, she starts to feel close to you, even if you didn't touch her, even if you didn't flirt. Because love, for her, begins in the mind. If she feels emotionally understood, her subconscious begins associating you with comfort, connection, and trust. And once trust enters, love is not far behind. Headphone a small story. There was a girl who used to post art online. People would comment, "Beautiful work, nice colors, pretty drawing." But one day, someone commented, "The way you blend sadness with peace in your colors, it feels like you're painting emotions." That one comment stayed in her heart for months. She didn't know the person, but she remembered him. Why? Because he didn't just see her art. He saw her soul behind it. That's the secret. If you see a woman's mind, you're already inside her heart. Tulip Part 2. She falls for the man who notices her effort. Soft guitar melody starts. There's another thing women crave more than beauty compliments, and that is acknowledgement. See, every day, women carry invisible weight. They smile through pain. They manage emotions, responsibilities, expectations, all at once. Most men never notice. But when one man does, when one man quietly says, "I know you're tired, but you're still giving your best," that's beautiful. That moment hits her deeper than any "you're hot" ever could. Because now you're not admiring her perfection. You're honoring her effort. And female psychology says, when a woman feels appreciated for her unseen work, she starts to feel emotionally safe with that person. Safety is love's soil. and appreciation is the water. Headphone, why it matters. In relationships, most men only praise outcomes. How good she looks in a dress. How well she did something. But the rare ones, the ones women fall for. Notice the struggle behind the success. When you say, "I admire how hard you're trying," you tell her, "I see the side of you no one else does." That's when she starts trusting you with her truth. She stops pretending. Her guard melts. Her laughter becomes real. That's not attraction anymore. That's emotional intimacy. And when a woman feels emotionally intimate, her heart naturally opens. Headphone, the hidden layer. Most women are tired of being seen as perfect. They just want to be seen as human. So when you notice her little acts of effort, like how she comforts others, how she stays calm in chaos, how she still tries even when she's tired, you touch the deepest part of her heart. Because she realizes, you're the one who sees me even when I'm not shining. And that realization is love's beginning. Dizzy Part 3. Why these two praises work together. Soft cinematic music rises. Now imagine both these things together. You see her mind, and you acknowledge her effort. You've connected to her thoughts and honored her heart. That's when the emotional bond becomes powerful. Because now her subconscious starts associating your presence with understanding and peace. Every time she thinks of you, she feels warmth. She feels calm. She feels safe. And in female psychology, that's when the heart opens completely. The moment she starts falling, you might not even realize it. It'll start subtly. She'll text you about random things, not because she needs advice, but because she wants to feel your energy again. She'll start sharing her small victories. A project completed, a new idea, because you're the one who understands her mind. She'll start opening up about her fears, because you're the one who sees her effort. And one day, she'll look at you a little longer. Her eyes will hold yours, and in that silence, you'll feel it. That quiet shift, that wordless love, that deep emotional connection. And it all started because you praised the two things most men never even notice. Crescent Moon Part 4. A psychological truth about women. Soft ambient tones fade in. A woman's heart is layered like an ocean. Surface waves for the world to see. But deep beneath, there's a quiet current that only the rare ones can touch. Her emotions aren't logic, they're intuition. She doesn't fall for looks, she falls for energy. When you see her mind, you stimulate her intellect. When you see her effort, you soothe her emotions. That combination makes her heart attach naturally. Because now she feels seen both mentally and emotionally. You've built a connection that bypasses attraction and dives straight into trust. And in the psychology of love, trust is the bridge between the mind and the heart. That's where lasting love begins. Sparkles Part 5. The real-world reflection. Think about the women you've known. The ones who stayed. The ones who left. Maybe the ones who left weren't appreciated. Their efforts went unnoticed. Their minds unheard. Maybe the ones who stayed were the ones you understood. Because love doesn't die from arguments. It dies from feeling unseen. So if you ever want to make a woman fall in love, don't try to impress her. Try to understand her. When she speaks, listen not to reply, but to feel. When she shares, notice the courage it takes. When she dreams, admire her fire, not her perfection. That's how you make her fall. Not with charm, but with presence. Headphone Part 6. The secret dialogue of the heart. Low instrumental build-up. When a woman feels seen for her mind, she starts thinking of you at random hours. When a woman feels seen for her effort, she starts missing your presence in silence. You'll find her texting you out of nowhere, sending something small just to reconnect. That's her subconscious reaching out, because the brain remembers who made it feel calm, and the heart remembers who made it feel safe. That's the psychology of emotional imprinting. When someone's presence leaves a lasting peace inside you, you become her peace. You become her soft place in a hard world. And that's the truest form of love. Sunrise Ode, the final truth. Piano and strings rise softly. If you want to make a woman fall for you, don't be louder, be deeper. Don't just look at her, see her. Notice the way she thinks. Appreciate the way she tries. Understand the story behind her smile. Because when you praise her mind, she feels valued. When you praise her effort, she feels loved. And when both happen, you don't just touch her heart, you touch her soul. She'll start to feel drawn to you, not because you're perfect, but because with you, she feels perfectly herself. And that is the moment every woman begins to fall in love. Headphone music slowly fades, silence. See her mind, honor her effort, and you'll hold her heart. Subscribe now to Psych Secrets and be part of a journey where every video inspires you to see life with a new perspective.